On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on? Otter gang. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a wonderful long weekend. I know I have. Did you guys press long? Put a 1 in the chat. I want to know who went long over the weekend. You guys are making lots of money without me. However, I did just press long. And I'm up $150 or something right now, so let's jump into the charts. Yes, I pressed long here. I did. I can show you guys. I don't mind. Good morning. Good morning to the prophets, baby. Good morning to the prophets. Oh, gotta love morning prophets. Just hanging out. A little small position here, but, I'm up $150. And it's good to see everybody here. How was your weekend? Did you get a beautiful, beautiful Easter bunny hunt? Did you go on a scavenging extravaganza? I mean, my son, he's only 7 months old, so we got him a Kinder Egg, and I built it and ate his chocolate. That's that's how my Easter egg hunt went. I built the toy and I ate his chocolate. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Much love to every single one in the chat. Let's get to the live chat here, all you guys. Good morning, JB, HFG, Jazz Tech, Jesse Galluck, Splashy Guitars. I actually finished my first coffee already. I'm out. I need a top up, guys. We'll be all right. Splashy, good morning to you. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Good to see you, Jesse, Crypto King, my man. Good morning to you, Albert Rad Jag. Good morning to you, Quick Smoker, James A. Monetti. Good morning to you, Jesse. Good morning, Lorelei. Good to see you as well. Just a sub. Good typical morning. Yeah, that's it. That's it, right? Infinite Team, Quick Smoker, Buck, good morning to you. Alexandra G, good morning, Alex. I hope you had a beautiful weekend, and I hope your day is amazing. Amazing, good morning, Otter gang. Let's go. Morning, Sniper, good to see you. Jesse Galluck, Infinite Team, Muckin, Donato Cabrera, Giander, James Georgival, roaming brave. What's going on? Just cover it. Good to see you. I got the long and short. Now in the long. This guy, you don't need to be here, man. You're just making money. You're printing. You're printing, man. Great job. Great job. Thanks for being here, Jesse. Good luck. Chantel, good morning. Happy Easter, everybody. The Pope has, God rest his soul. The Pope has passed away. So maybe they are resurrecting Bitcoin instead. Who knows? Hugo's loves the tune. Good morning, Revenge Trader, Milan, Georgia. Zena with the pink hand. Good morning to you. Good to see you as well. Joshua, good morning to you. Jazz Tech. Good morning, Crypto Rob. Dan Ofertu. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. DDT, my man. John Foster Crypto, good morning to you. Milan, Jesse, Georgia. Shamitris, good morning to you. I hit a lick Sunday night. Let's go. Let's go. Anybody catch that long? Anybody catch that long? Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm long right now. Up 100. Realized 100. Wasn't a big position size. 100, up 130 right now. We'll see if it does want to continue. Doji engulfing, baby. Doji engulfing candle. Very simple, right? Doji engulfing comes back, you buy it, it goes up. Easy money. Easy money. We'll see if we'll probably close it out. We'll see if there or add to it. We'll see. But probably close it out. Actually, we should just close it out. Let's start fresh. Why don't we do that? Let's just start fresh because it is important to start fresh. So let's close this out. There we go. Boom. It hit. We're closed out. Look at that. Pumping into our key level there. $150 right in the morning. Look at that. So I like the Easter Bunny, baby. Easter Bunny. GG's, everybody. Starting it off with a bang. We all like to start it off with a bang. So let's be patient here. It's clearly volatile, and it's clearly doing a V-shaped recovery, coming back down and grabbing some liquidity, okay? So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Dad Life, Shamitris, good morning to you. Mr. Pixel, good morning. Dave, top of the morning. This thing's ripping, everybody. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Bull run's back on. What do you guys think? I think this is a big fake out. I ain't convinced yet. No Sunday pump is going to convince me that we are going to the moon yet. Frank Evans, good morning. Nenen Gisami, good night. Patrick Saad, Buck, good morning to you. Good morning, Eddie. Max, good morning to you. Crypto Same, hola. Gangstas, what's going on, Same? Good to see you, man. Call me Risky Channel. Good morning, my idol, Alex. Oh man, you gotta find someone else, man. No, I don't want to be an idol. That's for damn sure. I swear, I don't know if I can meet your expectations, man. I'm not. I don't know if I'm qualified. Magic Mike, good morning to you. DZ. Trend reversal today. SFP and down. Well, what we did get, another confluence is that we did roll over here and we got some bottoming structure on our NASDAQ. So there was a couple of things just giving us that confidence to get long down here. I was looking a little bit lower into this low over here, but it has since flipped back up. So a nice recovery here for Bitcoin. And we'll find some more trades. It's only Monday, baby. We've been crushing it. Last week was great. I mean, I think we were 6 for 9. 6 for 9 last week. We had a couple of, I think it was Wednesday or Tuesday. Was it Wednesday? A couple down days, which was okay. It's okay as long as we're managing our risk, right? That's all I ask you guys to do here is manage your risk. Try to take high probability trades. Well, it's Jesse. Good morning. Joan, good to see you. Addie, can you please explain the logic of this long trade? So, yeah, of course. So price is rolling over. We got a Bart Simpson coming at us here. We got 3 drives on our market cipher coming in here. 3 drives typically gives us that pushover. So we're looking for it to come down to key levels and bounce. I saw some exhaustion here on the price action. And I was just waiting for a pushback. So we got a doji engulfing candle. I bought that candle looking to push back up into VWAP. Okay. Very simply like that. It was on the 3-minute doji engulfing pushback. Okay. Money coming back in right here. We also had a beautiful little buy signal. And it was pretty aggressive. And this just tells me it's a liquidity sweep this morning. Now it looks like we're going to the moon. I guess I should have just added to the trade, everybody. Oh, man. Anybody long on this thing? Jeez, make sure you're paying yourself. Coming back up into the median of the range. We do have the SFP that I'm highly interested in this morning, coming in around 88. Okay. This would be the Primavera right up here. Okay. Primavera. Isn't that pasta sauce? I don't know. I'm getting my Italian mixed up. Crypto Pondering, good to see you, man. How you doing? Crypto Pondering, George of all. Defiant, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? JR, Buck, Hanseku, Natasha, Gracie, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. JR, gang. Let's go, JB, Giander. Feeling the short from the local 618. So are you looking up in here? You're looking at that 618. Oof, we're hitting it, baby. Yeah. Could work. Back down to some liquidity. Just very aggressive, right? With anything like this, you don't want to be short. Like this rolled over and we were expecting bounce because early morning. Okay, this now has bullish momentum. I'm not sure if I want to fade this. I'm not sure if I want to jump on that short train just yet. However, shorts would probably be more favorable. Why do we say that? Because of the amount of liquidity that resides below us. Okay, typically you get this beautiful weekend pump, right? You get our beautiful Bart Simpson pattern, and then we come back down and grab some of the liquidity before continuing upwards, okay? Does that necessarily mean it's going to happen right now? No, we could still bounce around here, and then we could come down. So let's be patient this morning. It is Monday. Jeff Carlson, good morning. Good to see you. How you doing? Matthew, good morning. Wesley Jensen. Steve Hickey. Do you think a huge jump to 70K will occur in the coming days? I'm not in the... I don't think we're... I'm not going to say we can't put in a new low. It would make sense to put in a new low because we haven't tapped the previous range high. Okay? We haven't mitigated a couple of liquidities levels below us. And this has been really up only. If we look at this, right? Let's zoom out a bit. That's a good question. So we zoom out, which is always important. Right? This level in here. So we look over here. We got the previous low here that we never touched. We got the previous low here that we never swept. And we've pushed so aggressively up here. Only to break out. Okay? So all of this in here is very, very juicy. We'll leave it at that. Now, what would you want to see first is you would want to see these highs swept, right? So we're right there. Go and take it. Now remember this. We didn't do it down here. We never took it down there. So are we going to take it up here? I don't know, man. We'll prepare either way, right? We'll prepare either way. And that's how I tend to treat it. If we come up here and we sweep and we put in a lower high, I'm a giga short this thing. Whether it comes down to here or here or here, we'll make money. But damn, Daniel, it's been front running us. It's Bitcoin been a little bit like Ethereum lately. You know what I mean? If you've traded Ethereum, you got Ethereum here. Ethereum's coming up, right? Ethereum's moving up here. It's putting its high. It's coming down. It's putting its high. It's coming down. It's putting its low. And then it's like, nah. That's what it does to the golden pocket. It goes, nah. All right? That's what Ethereum does. So be prepared. Bitcoin's been doing that a little bit lately, so. Anybody trade Ethereum? You know what I mean. You guys know what I mean. Classic front run. Exactly. That's it, man. That's it, man. It's so true. Ethereum looks better than Bitcoin for trading wise. Like for bottoming structure, Ethereum looks really good. If we're looking at ETH, we zoom out on ETH. We have very easy, like, this is good. Look, it took the low. Bullish divergence, higher high. Guess what? It swept the high up here. It's been doing its job. Like, it's actually, like, took the low, swept the high. Okay, a lot better market structure than Bitcoin right now on Ethereum. Not that we're going over to Vitalik coin. We're not going over there. Okay, I'm just saying. TA wise, looking all right. Someone's short here. You're brave as heck, man. Coming down into VWAPs where I'd be looking for a continuation long. Okay, overextended though. So we're kind of favoring shorts, but we want to see this swept. That's where we're at today. Okay, so we want to see boop 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 boop. Okay, but we'll see where it gets to, man. We'll see where it gets to. Just want to be patient here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Hopefully, you all had a wonderful weekend, smashing Easter bunnies and eating chocolate eggs. We got over 300 people in here, so thank you guys for being here. It's still a holiday in some places, too, as well, so pretty wild. What are the broom icons? That's my, it's just a trend line with sweep. I want to see a sweep. Sweep. There you go. That's it. That's where I'm looking for SFPs, right? If we come up in here, SFP, bearish divergence, retest, get short. That's all. That's all they are. Nothing spectacular. Just levels of liquidity that I'm interested in. Okay, how was everybody's weekend? They touched some grass. Boring, let's trade. Relaxing, good. That's important to rest. It's very important to rest. And some people longed. Okay, that's awesome. Frost, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Pasta primavera. Sounds delicious. Magic Mike, good to see you as well. Progress forward, unholy audio. Can you talk about scaling an account from 1K to 10K, please? Yeah, we could talk about that. It's a process. It's definitely a process. The greatest gift is compounding, right? So we can talk about that. If you're talking about compounding, it's very important to have a risk management calculator. You have them on the exchanges, by the way. So if you're over here on your exchange, you have your calculator here where you can do your P&L calculation. So this is going to be really beneficial if you're using a compounding account. So if you're at 1,000 and you're going into, you make $10, right? So you're at 1,010. Now the math becomes easier and easier, but how much you're risking per trade compounds, and that will jump into further and further compounding, and you'll make more money off of an account. But you have to learn, one, how to compound an account. That's going to help you grow your account. Okay, for me, I have a very stagnant account. I trade a 100K account, right? So that just is what it is, and that's where I manage my risk off of, right? I can risk up to $1,000. It's still 1%, but it's about compounding your account. Small wins, small losses. Big wins, small losses. Okay. Your P&L is going to look something like this, but if you're taking big losses, you're gonna end up looking like this. That's the problem. So, in my opinion, you must manage your risk. If you don't manage your risk, you're never gonna be able to compound and get ahead. That's going to be the most detrimental thing, is those big losses. So being as aggressively cheap as possible when you know you're wrong, I think is one of the greatest gifts that I learned when trading. It's okay to be wrong and then reassess and then jump back in. Look at this thing hitting our 786. That's why we don't fade the momentum, right? Jeez, it's pushing, baby. ETH in bear market territory, yep. Classic front run. DDT in the chat, man. Darren, how was your weekend, mate? Gander. Jazz Tech. Jake's, good to see you. Nice weekend. James Simpson. Awesome, bro. AlexOCrypto. Halfway to passing my prop evaluation. Good job, bro. Safir, good morning to you. Jake K, good morning to you. Mark Dutch in the chat. What's going on? Jesse Galluck. Crypto Birdie. Crypto needs Red Bull. Happy Easter, everybody. God bless every single one of you guys in here. Curtis Neal in the chat. What's going on, Curtis Neal? How you been, man? No trade here. I'd be more inclined to have a retrace come back in here. Retest VWAP, try to push back up. Geez, Sui's up 7%. My God. Everybody's getting on their hopium slippers. How many open mouth thumbnails are we going to get this morning? Is that how we should look at it? Let's go and take a look. You going to get a bunch of them or what? What do you guys think? Uh-oh. We got Kyle to the moon here. He's got open eye thumbnail. What else do we got in here? Okay. Okay. There's some good ones in here. Oh my God. This guy. He sat on, you know when you put your pencil? This is when you put your pencil. Connor Kelly. I'm sorry if I'm offending you, Connor. This is, you know when you put your pencil on the chair in public school and your friend sits on it? That's that face right there. And it's a goo. That's a... Is it too early to say that on a Monday? I don't think it's too early. Albino Rhino. All good, mate. Grass and ass and made some money trading. Let's go. Let's go, Darren. Awesome, man. Grass and ass, baby. Albino Rhino. What's going on, man? Frost. Good. Good. Doing a 1K to 10K account takes months minimum, if not a year. Doing a 10X isn't easy. There you go. Maya, what's going on, Maya? Good to see you as well. Crypto Rob. Got both long on Sol and BTC. Great job, man. Mark Dutch, Jesse, good luck. Curtis Neal, my man. Dave Cryptic, Shankland. Fact, not opinion. HFG, how are you, man? I'm doing well. Empire Trades, BTC, pull done. You think, bro? Pull down? Pull done? I'm not sure what you mean there, Empire Trades. Hopefully you had a good weekend as well. Y'all think this will actually go up for round 2? 100K BTC? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. I ain't your macro analyst. Got to go over to Piper. He's pretty bearish. Andrew Ruiz. Good morning to you, Sierra. I wouldn't be surprised if they pull it down on everyone's head from here. They gave you the dump, the hopium into the morning, and then the big old ripper to the downside. Nasdaq looks like it wants to recover though, so S&P opening up today. We'll see how that goes. We were looking to short Solana here, and I said, everybody, don't short Solana. We were all looking for the short here to come back into here. I'm very proud. You know what's also a good thing? Is when you protect your community, isn't it? I think that's the key. It's not only do you give setups and ideas, right? Look at this, okay? So we're looking for Solana, right? There's Solana. We're looking for this retest, breakdown, bear div, okay? And then just no entry on Sol, flipping bullishly. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay? I didn't just leave that there for the gang. I said no entry on Solana, flipping BTC flipping bullishly. I think sometimes it's like you feel better protecting your community over, like, of course we have banger trades and we kick ass a lot of the time, but it's like you stop people from taking a bad trade. Because one thing is, I know people in the Discord are not that strict with the risk management. It's everywhere. I know you guys over there are not that strict with your risk management. You guys are taking trades based off whatever you're doing. I know you're out there. It's okay. I was there too. I understand. I was Ask Sniper's Nightmare. It was a total fucking degen. Okay, and I will swear about that. However, if I can protect you from a trade that would have gone against you immensely, okay, like if you shorted this here, you would have been absolutely destroyed. Okay, so if I can protect you from that, I've done a good job. Okay, because I know you guys are out there. Because I was out there once. I was out there once. Oh, man. Look at all these beautiful people, man. Andrew Ruiz, good morning to you. Bilal, good morning to you. Jesse, Sierra, Crypto Alt Delete, good to see you as well. Sani, R.I.P. Pope Francis, absolutely, man. New sub, liked and loaded. Welcome, Sani. Thank you for being here, man. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading live. We longed the bottom this morning. However, we closed it. It was a half a position size. Wasn't anything too seriously. Quick $150. We'll see how this trading day goes, but very overextended to the upside. Was Trump looking back at him? I love looking for the open mouth insert Deck thumbnail. Yeah. It's everywhere, man. It's everywhere. Good morning, Jakes, Milan. Never too early for a good laugh. That's the one. Albino Rhino. Nick Musgrave in the chat. Good morning to you. Darshan. What is your guys' sentiment? Are we gonna have let's see. Put a 1 in the chat if you think we're gonna have an alt season soon. Or put a 2 in the chat if we're not gonna see one. I'm just curious. 90, then dump to 70. That I like the sounds of that, Froth. I think we gotta crash it open. Good morning, Richard Peeps. Good morning, Dusty. Good to see you, man. James Simpson. Are we getting an altcoin season, guys? We got 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2. I don't know. That's honest. I like that, just a sub. Started already pumping alts. Darren says 2. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jeez, you guys are... Okay. What did Alexandra G say? 2. You know Alexandra G's listening to a lot of Piper, though, so I think that's bias. But Buck is, too, so... No alt season, just selective alts. Narrative running alongside BTC. So we're gonna go with the American coins. America's coins. Bitcoin dominance still got room. Bitcoin dominance can go to... My target for dominance is 67. We ain't there yet, baby. We ain't there yet. I got a big old box for you guys right here. We ain't there yet. You beautiful people. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 100, good morning to you. Empire. J. Dutt. Jakes. I don't know how to say your name. I'm going to call you... I know you say good morning all the times. Carius? We'll go Carius. Precarious. HRJ, what's going on? God bless you, bro. One of our traders in our Discord. HRJ, you gave some banger trade. FET? Oh my God. Look at this trade, everybody. Oh my God. I can't give them all your signals, bro. I can't give them all your signals. HRJ spoiling the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being part of our gang. One of our traders in our Discord. My God. You just be printing dollars, buddy. Be printing them dollars. Two Brews, good to see you, man. Wayne C., did your wife make you a nice sandwich? Crypto Alt Delete 88765. Yeah, man. We're ready. We're looking for it too, man. We're looking for that sweep of the highs in here, buddy. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. That's exactly what we're looking for. If we get it today. I don't know if we get it today. We could come down into a couple of these boxes down below. We're prepared. Okay, looking at this right now, we do have a trigger wave coming back up. A nice push up over the weekend. A couple of areas of interest where we can potentially bounce from. Retest to previous highs. Nice 382 order block down in here. Okay, so a couple of things here. Potential for today. Don't want to... Oof, that would have been nice. Don't want to get over... Okay, that one worked too. Sometimes I leave trades on charts just to see. You know when you get the FOMO, how I just put the trade on like I would take the trade as if I took the trade, and I leave it and I walk away. If it's not in my playbook, my setups, I'll set the trade and then I'll walk away because sometimes when you think you're right, you're really wrong, like really wrong. You know what I mean? How many people are just like, they come on, they don't do like a full analysis, they put on a trade and then they're like, I was really wrong. I used to do that. I still do that occasionally, not as much. And once I realized that I was doing it, I cut the trade. I'll take the loss. All right. Coming into VWAP here. So we want, with this, because we're so overextended to the upside, we need VWAP to hold and close above the hold here. If it does not hold VWAP, we're coming down. Okay? It must hold and confirmation candle, and then we get long. If not, we look for it to push through, retest, and continue downwards. Very simple. Not so simple for people to wait. That's why you come here, because I say wait. Looks like a juicy short coming. Absolutely. Trump wants to get rid of Powell. I'm asking if the Bitcoin bull run is over. I don't think it's over at all. My stars got smacked by the avalanche. Yeah, man. Dallas got their ass handed to them. Avalanche are a good team, man. Just because you guys picked up Miko Rantanen doesn't mean you're going to win the cup, man. Sorry to say. And Mr. Ottinger, or whatever his name is, looking a little bit like Swiss cheese. You need goaltending. That's all I got to say. We're going to talk hockey now? Because my Leafs won last night, 6-2. Baby, baby, baby. Let's go. Defiant calling the altcoin season. August, September. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's ask, because it's hard to do a poll. I like to see the ones and twos in the chat. Ryan Squarepad, how to be a member in the Discord? Yeah, there's a premium Discord membership sign up. There's also, you can just come over. It's free. In the free section. I mean, we have 5 traders in here helping you guys all navigate the charts, but come over and hang out in the free section. Main chat here. We got Attila. He's partying. He's looking to trade. There's me. This is my life right now. We have a good time in here. And then, yeah, if you want to join, I mean, there's the membership over here. Watch the video first, yada, yada, yada. Would love to have anybody who's interested, but thank you for asking, Ryan. Happy Monday, CD Esoteric. How do I see all the alert signals in the Discord? You have to, like, if you're a member too, Bruce, you have to, like, you can make your notifications come on depending on each channel. There's a way to do that as well. Frembo, good morning to you. Avi, good morning to you. Good to see you guys. I'm only here to play the blow off top. Is that a rude comment, Buck? Okay. So people think the bull run's still on. If I asked you this when we were at 70,000, I think it would be zero. I think it would be no's across the board. Rolling over here. Nice liquidity sweep up in the high here. I do like this high sweep in here. Pretty much tap this guy here too. So you've done a good job of coming back for these shorts. So either we bounce here, retest continuation, or we get some sort of, let's pull our fib in here. Look for continuation. What would be nice is if we swept in here, if we pushed down and we swept into the 786 golden pocket, then bounced. Reclaim a VWAP. We take this little trade in here. This is coming back for late longs right now. No trade for me. It's kind of in a hot dog zone, in my opinion. Still waiting here. Been watching Tau. Yeah. Render. I hold a big bag of render because it's American, baby. I bought render just under $3. So we'll see. We'll see. Brembo, good morning, Darren. Crypto Pollo, what's going on, guys? Good to see you, Pollo. Gang in the house. Gang, gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Little Fish, HRJ. Good morning, everybody. Ritual. Teach me all the things, please. Yeah, man, you just got to ask questions. I typically answer all your questions. I try to get to everybody. I ain't here to withhold all the information. Randy Hipper in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Randy. Happy Monday. Happy Easter. Army Piper, my man. I'm in Dallas. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Crypto Billy in the chat, my man. You guys are all coming through. You know, we got less than 40 days till Vegas, baby. We got less than 40 days till you get to join me in my Bitcoin booth and my midget tossing booth that I have at the Bitcoin conference. The first throw is free. Bamsey. Good morning. Paul Russell, good morning to you. Crypto Pollo is long on from 48 cents. Let's go, baby. Can you show me the types of calls available in your Discord? Yeah, of course. We do have a video here, but I think Kyle gave a setup this weekend here. Look at this, okay? Okay. Potential, SFE, confirmation, okay? Entering short, Bing. Taking 50% out. Close 50%. Move stop loss to Bing. Bitcoin trade closed. Bing. Enjoy your money on the weekend. That's one trader. Printing, baby. Love it. Crypto Billy, Neff, good morning to you. Little Fish. Zen Regen. Can we hear some beatboxing, please? I apologize for being in a bad mood last week. I appreciate your apologies, Zen. I didn't notice, but it's always very it's good for yourself to recognize your behavior and admit to wanting to be better. That's cool, man. I appreciate that. There you go. Merry Christmas. Altcoin season is canceled. BC Port Corp, another Piper Academy member. We got all these angry bears coming over from Piper Academy. I don't know about this. You guys are very bearish. What does Crypto Billy think? Is Crypto Billy bearish too? Can anybody be positive? Randy Hipper, are you bearish? Randy Hipper, is altcoin season coming? Randy, what do you think, Randy? What do you think? BC, good morning. Zen. I'll post your phone number in your Discord. I bet Dutchy will give you a free call. I don't know. Who does have my phone number in crypto? I think there's like 3 people. I don't even think Billy has my phone number. I mean, Billy can get a hold of me. I just want to meet Alexandra G. Alexandra G's coming to Vegas? She gets 3 free throws in my midget booth. Randy's pumped for Vegas. Let's go. Randy, do you play golf? Can't wait, Billy. Me neither, man. Vegas is booked. I'm going on a helicopter ride in Vegas. I'm gonna go see me and the wife and the little one. We're going on a helicopter ride through the canyon. Oh, buddy, it's gonna be crazy. I've already booked it. We gonna take a chopper. I'll record it and I'll say get to the chopper for Alexandra G. Okay. I think I got it for you. Alexandra G, this one's for you. I think I got it.
This is an arrest.
Let me see.
Get to the chopper! Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
Let's go. I couldn't resist. Altcoin season is here, says King Andrew. Let's go, baby. I wouldn't be getting into any small flying objects with how air travel has been going. I don't think they're going to try and target AlexOCrypto for helping people try to change their lives through trading cryptocurrency. I don't think they're going to come after me. I'm not going to spend any time at the conference. It's actually a golf holiday, man. It's actually a full-on golf holiday. Anybody get short up in here? I mean, there's nothing really. This is pretty slow. I'm positive there will either be an alt season or there won't. But my bags bet there will be. That's it, right? Alt season will happen, just not when people expect it to. That's kind of cheeky. But when do you 2025 or not? You think 2026? I don't think it'll be like the last one. I think the issue is, okay, this is my issue, is that everybody's altcoin season. So if this is where the top of the bull run was, and now we're here, everybody is trying to sell at least break even now. Everybody's hoping to sell break even, so that would be a lot of selling pressure. That's my concern. They're not trying to buy more, they're trying to get out. Right? I don't know. Should I sell my render then? I've doubled my bags. Should I sell the render? I bought Sui at $1.30. Should I sell my Sui as well? I don't think so. Darren shorted again. Doing some renovations in Deutschland there, Mark. Good job, man. Good morning, Colin. Jesse is a slacker. R.S. Miller, good morning to you. I'm going to get a DEI pilot. Yeah, Dave, a Dave educated intern. His name's going to be Dave Digital. He's going to fly the chopper. I can see FET USD in your watch list. Have you used their AI? I have not. But I do own a big old bag of FET. A big old bag. What is that white line that BTC is coming down towards in your chart, please? That's VWAP. That's volume weighted average price of the day, which resets every single day. It's a trading tool. I have a bunch of videos on it. VWAP, volume weighted average price. It's the average price for the day. It'll give you support and resistance. It'll give you trend. It'll act magnetic at times. It's a very good median for your day. So now that we're coming down into VWAP, we can talk about it. So what are we looking for VWAP to do? We are looking for it to hold. We are looking for it to act as a support and resistance. We are also looking for price to chop around it too, right? So anytime it deviates, you can look to take it back in. Anytime it bounces, you can take it away from it. Okay, so right now, we have clearly blasted through it. So it's pretty fresh VWAP starting in the morning. So for me, I just want to be a little bit of patience here. It was in an uptrend, right? Now it has returned to the average price of the day. So how VWAP behaves here, can it break down or will it hold and continue to push us up, right? That's the question. Right now, we have made a high, mitigating this high in here. We are looking for a continuation. However, we are very overextended to the upside. Okay, so this is the context right now. So if we're doing top down, in which we should, it's 8:54, and I thank everybody for being here. We got over 450 people here, so God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Obviously, a big push over the weekend. Very exciting stuff. Okay, so big push over the weekend, really chopping about and then popping. Really failing to come and sweep these lows down in here. We were really interested in a short. However, this thing has clearly just broken out to the upside. Now, the thought here is that if we are going to continue higher, we want to see this swept. Okay, this is going to be our target coming in all the way up here for our then correction. So if we push up, we are definitely looking for that ABC, and then off we go. This would be the area or the low that we are really interested in. Now, if we fail here to push up higher, okay, and we just come back and retest in here, we could be looking for the lows to be taken, okay? If we start losing areas like this, we look to come back down and then maybe pop, okay? So we're not at all out of the woods yet. We just need to be level-headed. And what does that mean? That means we treat this like a range until proven otherwise, right? We've been doing really well, understanding that the most pain for Bitcoin right now is sideways, okay? Sideways is where we're at, right? So if we are to come back down and retest previous highs, that would be an ideal area to look for a potential long. Okay, so if we come back down, big volume node over here. Okay, if we come back into here, we look for a continuation trade that way. Okay, or we're looking for the push in the SFP of the highs and then a breakdown. Okay, lots of liquidity in the highs here and in here. Does this mean that we are out of the woods yet? No, I would like to see at least a 12-hour candle close above these highs in here in order to start to consider flipping bullishly. Not until then. Until then, we treat this like a range. Right now, we're at the top of the range. We should be looking for shorts back down to the bottom of the range. That's typically how you treat a range. Okay. However, there is some hopium, pushing back on the NASDAQ. The SPY is trying to hold on here. So a couple of things that are looking good. If we zoom out to our 3-day, the 3-day, in my opinion, looking the best, where we have an anchored trigger wave bullish divergence in here. Okay, so this is juiciness. Okay, 3 drives, bullish divergence on our 3-day, looking to come back to where the divergence started. Okay, so if we came back to where it started, that would be up in here, retesting the previous lows. So if this is going to play, we could look for this to potentially come up to that 94, 95,000, and then we could be in big trouble. Or we could be flipping and pushing, depending on, guess who? Orange Man. Orange Man's going to have a big play in this. Also, monetary policy. When are they going to introduce quantitative easing? When are they going to cut rates? We don't know these things. We just want to be prepared either way. However, if we sweep up here and we push back down, we can look for that beautiful continuation pattern, and up we go and change that trend to the upside. But not until we start closing above these highs here. Okay? Coming into VWAP right now, no trade. Just want to see how it behaves. Very slow price action right now, so nothing I'm really interested in. This is trapping longs and shorts right now. My favor is to the downside. Why? Because we have pushed up unsustainably overnight. Okay? Looking at the 12-hour here, we do have a nice push up. However, getting overbought right now, so a little bit of overextension means we should cool off a little bit in the coming days or potentially just today. Same with the 4-hour overextension as well. Pushing up here, right? What goes up must come down, right? So getting a little bit of a Bart Simpson in this, right? So be prepared for that. And obviously there's lots of liquidity in the lows here. So as Uncle Scar would say, be prepared. The 2-hour rolling over as well. So as we can see, these short-term time frames are overextended. So it's very like if this then that, be cautious. So we're looking for a retrace back down to halfway of this candle at minimum for a continuation. Just basic rules I like to use back into some key areas. Okay, so being prepared is key here. We have all of our areas ready to trade, right? If we come back into here, there's liquidity in here. But for now, overextended, looking for a rollover. And hopefully just trying to catch that higher low if we're going to bounce, right? We want to catch that higher low and continuation trade if we're going to bounce. If we're going to roll over, then there's many ways that we can look to get into that today and hopefully take advantage of the price action, okay? So let's just be patient here. Coming into Monday open, we've clearly rolled over, popped back up, golden pocket, rejection back down, coming into our next golden pocket VWAP right now as we speak, starting to lose it a little bit. So like we said, we want to see a sweep into that golden pocket and a reclaim and continuation back up, but don't want to rush it this morning. Just want to be as patient as possible, really, with price action because it's been very volatile. Let's take a look at the VIX, actually. I didn't take a look this morning. Have we come down at all? That is the question. Yeah, we are starting to roll over below 30 here. Okay, so not as volatile, obviously, as it was before, but still very volatile. Anything above 20 is going to be a volatile market, so let's be very cautious when entering trades, making sure we're using good risk management. That's going to be critical going forward into this week. USDT dominance, let's take a look here. Oh, baby. So we were looking for the breakdown here, and guess what? We got it. So mitigating this uptrend, this has been a long uptrend. My alarm went up here. So getting acceptance back down here, looking for a target right around 5%. If we can come back into this 5% range, that would be ideal. And this is obviously inverse correlated. So if this goes down, Bitcoin goes up. So losing this big trend line, very important, and we have done so right now. So we could be looking for a little bit of a retest continuation, but nonetheless, overall, this is looking as though as it can break down, which in Bitcoin's case is push up. Okay, so that's looking juicy as well. Let's just be patient here. What's the others dominance doing? Double bottom on others dominance. Yeah, not out of the woods. I'd like to see a higher high come in first. So let's make sure our hopium slippers are left at the door when we come into trading, right? We need to separate our trading portfolio from our HODL portfolio. I want it to go up too, friends, but it's not going to benefit me trying to be objective when trading, right? So thank you, everybody, for being here. 500 people here. Smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Kicking ass, taking names, hanging out with you guys. I do appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel. What's going on? Face in the chat, my man. What's going on, bro? Beautiful long yesterday, man. God bless you. Happy Easter, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. My man, you banged out that $300,000 trade yesterday, didn't you? You got long like Donkey Kong, baby. You got long like Donkey Kong. Congratulations, bro. Thank you for being such an inspiration to all us fresh traders, man. You've been crushing it. Thank you for sponsoring the channel as well. Market Cypher family, man. Love it. Love it, man. I always say, Face sponsored me when I was like I wasn't even a minnow. I was like fish food. So I'm very grateful to Market Cypher for sponsoring this channel when I was I'm still a very small channel, but obviously I'm not at 1,500 subscribers anymore. So God bless you, bro. Great trading. Keep up the good work. Hopefully you and the family had a wonderful Easter, man. Just since checking here when the retail thinking the same thing, short the weekend, surely the market maker will go the opposite. Yeah, possibly. Waiting for the next Orange Swan event. That's the one, man. That's the one. Randy Hipper, Crypto Billy. I like that money flow. The 3-day looks juicy, man. The 3 days told the story, really. 3 days told that story. The Dixie ripping to the downside. Good call on that one, Face. USDT dominance, losing that key support level. I like this 3-day. The 3 days looking good on the cipher here. We got that upwards curvature on the money flow starting to happen here. Getting a little overextended on VWAP. That can pop back and continue upwards here. We could get something like this. That would bring us into next until Friday. Yeah, that would be good. Into Friday. Daily looking a little toppy, but look at the bounce off the 0 line. And we have higher lows on the money flow. I like that. So even if we do correct here, end of week pump. That's what I'm seeing for like long term. But hell yeah, nice push, man. We could keep going. That 12-hour overextension here. Look at that ramping. Yeah, it's all there, man. Eight-hour money flow, steady Freddy, man. The 8-hour money flow, this whole bull run has been like my bread and butter. It's been the smoothest in my opinion for trend base. And right now it's holding green quite nicely. So even being overextended on VWAP here, it's still holding nicely. Things looking a little bit toppy today though. Just a bit. Dave Digital, welcome Saphir. Tell us more about Mubarak USDT. Dave Roy, good morning. Jeanette, good to see you. Jeanette, are you still in that long from the bottom? Did you close Ethereum long or are you still in it, Jeanette? My God. Let's give Face a mic. He's always welcome to come on the channel, man. Mr. Hey, Alex, love from India. Thank you for the love, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Golden pocket now. This is choppy, right? This late longs here just getting wrecked. That's all that is. These guys just got wrecked. Now we'll see how it behaves. We got 907. We just got our hourly candle. Let's take a look there. Oh yeah, big old doozy hammer time. This looks like it's coming down. Yeah, it's not too pretty here. Big rejection on our hourly. 30-minute, not engulfing, but still not pretty. Yeah, this looks like it's coming down. Got a big support level, 86.4, and then another one at 85.8. So we're going to flip bullishly somewhere in here. Anybody in the short right now from up high? Put a 1 in the chat if you're short right now. Good morning, F1. Rajan, Jeanette, J. Dutt. Losing VWAP here. Half size hedge. Nice. Nice. 111's in the chat. I don't think we come. 786 bounce right now. I would like to see push back into VWAP and then take this lower. Nice little rollover. Golden pocket, 786 rejection coming back down here. Crypto Face, you need to make a video for me and Geo. Me and Geo have been adding size lately. I'm trying to get up to like a $500,000 position size. So Geo and I are trying to push each other to get comfortable with. I get emotional, man. Like, scare money don't make money. I get it, but like, I get emotional with the big size, man. You need to make a video on how to control yourself within the bigger trades, man. I'm trying to add more size. I do it after I've had so I'll be up like 2-3 grand for the day, which is like above my goal. Like, I'm looking to make $900 to $1,200 a day. It's good money for me. But of course, I want to scale it. That's why we trade, right? And damn, Daniel, I get so I get like stupid, you know? Like I was short $500,000 position size on the weekend right here. And I closed this thing. This would have been like a $6,000 trade. Down to here. That was my target. I closed this thing here for like $300. Like an absolute biatch. 3 drives, bearish divergence. I felt so stupid. I just like, if it was a regular position size, I'd be holding that thing, chilling, whatever. No, not me. Not me. Just an emotional little namby-pamby. at the end of the day, I'm working on it. I'm working on it so that when I try to teach my community how to do it, it's a bit easier. See if this thing wants to roll over here. Coming into market open. We got 18 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. The channel's been growing quite nicely, so thank you guys for being here and supporting it. We got 500 people in here, 149 likes. If you wouldn't mind smashing up that button for me, that'd be cool. Looking at the calendar this week. Nothing too, durable goods coming in on Thursday, but nothing too dramatic this week. It should be an interesting week, to say the least. We know the real drama queen is gonna tweet something. So, but besides that, pretty smooth sailing to this week. Lunar Beach is what's going on, man. Grandmaster Abe, good morning. Should have closed partial and wrote it. Yeah. $100,000 a day is life changing for most. Yeah. It's starting with $10 a day. It's starting with $50 a day. It's all scalable. It's having a proven strategy that works with good risk management, small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. Not adding to losers. Back testing, trading your strategy, then managing yourself. I have the strategy. I work on managing myself mostly now. Retesting the VWAP, looking for the short here. Coming into market open, we'll see how it behaves. I don't like this price action here. This should be taken. That's my only concern. We could look for this, but I'd like to see clear rejection here. We don't have that. Volume's decreasing in here after we pushed. Golden pocket, retracement down. So for me right now, it's wreck the bulls, wreck the bears. Chopping. So see if we can participate safely. 15-minute, we're going to get a anchored trigger wave here. It's looking good. Money's coming out though. Not fully. Actually, it's ramping up. Anchor trigger wave here, possible push up, but like we said, overextension, right? So 30-minute trigger wave. Yeah, and then we get into like the 90, the 1 hour, the 2 hour. It's all overextended, but it's... I wouldn't say it's fully baked yet. The 4 hour still has a bit of hopium here. The 4 hour, right, is still posturing to the upside here. You have VWAP reset, so you can bounce off the zero line here, and you obviously have clear, strong money flow. So it's about giving the 1 hour. It's 1 hour can easily push like noon, 1 o'clock, easily, if it's going to. You don't see any sort of ramping to the upside here, like inward curve. So outward curve. You must follow the curvature. If this was like this, it's different, okay? Understand curvature is key. We were talking about curvature the other day in our Discord. Gotta have those nice curvature booty cheeks, you know? That's what it's all about. Coming into VWAP here. Alex, do you see the huge bearish div on gold? I look at gold sometimes. I know that gold pumps and Bitcoin typically has like a, what is it, a 60-day lag? And then it follows? Something like that? I don't trade until after 9:30. New rule. That's good, man. A lot of people don't start until 15 minutes after market opens. That's kind of like a NASDAQ rule. I think the SPY will probably gap down. See if we get some relief coming into this low here. Then try to go. Yeah. Still waiting here, guys. Congratulations to those who got short up in here. I mean, it wasn't for me. This has been a long wait here. This is an hour. It's been pretty much an hour for this thing to come down. Too slow for me, man. I ain't that patient, guys. Come on. I ain't that patient. 11 minutes till market opens, everybody. Wait for Solana. Bit overextended. Yeah. John Douche. He's short. Good job. Gotta trust your system. Yep, that's the one. Scott, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you been, Scott? Max Ross. Magic Mike. James Simpson. Giovanni. If you are new here, make sure you say good morning. R Pink, what's going on, my brother? Buck. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Coming into Monday, baby. Happy holidays. I'm going to get a refill on my coffee, everybody, before we start and kick this thing off. We might go a little bit longer today, I think. We might go a little bit longer. I feel like we got some unsettled business, you know? I'm going to go get some coffee. I'll be right back. Don't you slap VWAP and reject when I'm...
drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Coffee. Oh, yeah. It's all about that coffee. It's weird. There's always like a 50-person drop-off whenever I get a coffee. Are people that impatient? They think I'm going to make like a magical, life-changing trade for them within 3 minutes? Kind of weird. Just a daily view up, Max Ross. Giovanni, good morning. Matt, good morning. Stuck in traffic on the M6 by Birmingham. Oh, God. The M6 is brute. Oh. Ask me, missus. Coming up to view up for a slap here. Right into market open, too. What a cheeky. Ten seconds on this candle here. My God. It's really going to do this, eh? Golden pocket to golden pocket. Golden pocket to golden pocket to golden pocket. Oh, my God. That's a great candle close. That's a good candle close. Strong push here. I'm not getting in the way of this. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. I get long here. Golden pocket to golden pocket. I'm going to create a little... Yeah, it's garbage, man. Complete trash panda price action right now. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, hanging out here. Oh, shit. R.S. Miller. 50 gifted memberships. My man, let's see some puppies in the chat for R.S. Miller. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for blessing the chat. We got some lurkers in here. We got Michael O'Neill, lurker. Karim Farang from the jungle. Karim Farang from the jungle. Lurker. Fozzie, lurker. I do give trades. Yes, I do give trades, but it's never financial advice. Space Cat, what's going on, lurker? VW John, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Multi-lurker. Super. Lurker. Okanin. Okanin. Lurker. Chris Hanley. Lurker. Tim Pearson. I think you said hello, but I'm going to call you a lurker until you say hello. Warlock. Lurker. Greg Gillingham. Lurker. Manir Jazz. You're definitely a lurker. I would have missed that name, man. Manir Jazz. You listen. Me is near jazz. The local 420. Lurker. Aditya. Lurker. Jasmine. Lurker. Shirley Sound. Lurker. Lurker. Autumn Baker. What about spring and I like baked goods all year round. What about winter, fall, spring, autumn, baker? 2.5 minutes till market opens here. Buck got a membership. Uh-oh. Watch out, he's going to be spamming. Crypto say, my man, good morning. Spaced, good morning. Depenya, good morning. Ian Lurker. Valera Lurker. Pele, good morning. Good to see you, man. Justice Fit Nears, good morning. Andrew Ruiz. I love when people who say good morning get memberships. Alan Lurker. Adrian Lurker. Get what's going on. Good morning. Grandmaster Abe, good morning. Io Nut. Good morning. Let's go. Bad Baptist. All these guys say good morning. Good morning to you guys. CJ Niss. Straight Vaping. Good morning. Barefoot Sailing Adventures. What's going on? Good morning. Lucky Deal. Helder. Lurker. Kabow. Lurker. R.S. Miller, you're making me work today, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Vikram Lurker. Dynastic Wolf Lurker. Razvan Lurker. Zanir Lurker. Jules Lurker. Crypto Storm Lurker. What's going on, Princess? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Bitcoin ripping here. NASDAQ trying to push? No. Interesting. Okay. Market's almost open. Bitcoin ripping. We're going golden pocket to golden pocket to golden pocket, everybody. That's what the market has decided to do today. Yanis, good morning to you. Orlando, Lurker. Let's go. Trader Geo's in the chat. Leafs are winning, baby. Leafs are winning, baby. Crypto Caveman, good morning, Janice. Good morning. Thank you so much to R.S. Miller, my man. Geo, are you going live today after the stream or what? Crypto Billy Defiant. S&P gapping way down here, guys. So S&P is gap down, double bottom. Grab some liquidity down in here. Markets open. Ring, ring, ring. Banana phone. Breakout, retest, continuation off VWAP here. Little slap. Continuation. Bitcoin pushing here. Anybody flip long? I know you guys, some of you guys got short up in here this morning. Wild Mofo, good morning. Just lurking about, Tengu. Colin, good morning. Took that long on Fartcoin yesterday, AlexO. Massive profits. Great job, Black and Blue. MexC, Two Bruce. Good morning, Warren G. Lil Prince, Trader Geo. Quick Smoker, Princess, Nick. Geo has my phone number. Let's message Geo. No trade right now, guys. Middle of the range, chopping VWAP. I'm not gonna get wrecked here. Good morning from India. Ding, ding, ding. Let's go, Attila. Jake, Felipe, BC. Longed VWAP. Okay. Nice follow through here. NASDAQ revisiting previous lows. 540 people here. 200 likes. You think we can get another 50 likes? That would be really cool. I'd appreciate that. I want to see how it behaves up at this high here. Anybody in the long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Thank you so much, RS Miller, for the 50 gifted memberships as well, man. I know I said thank you already, but I say thank you again. I appreciate you, bro. Ree, good morning. Thank you, Rudy. If I missed you, say good morning. Hopefully I can get to you. Rudy, Mancy, Spike Gentry, good morning. Prem, good morning. Marcus, good morning. Thank you for being here, guys. Paul Neal, good morning to you. Warren G, thanks for the good mornings, guys. Thank you, RS Miller. Once you flip long, okay. Not a... I'm not ready to get long here yet. Volume coming in, yeah, it's good. Gains pumping, let's go. Zerker, good morning. KGD, are we getting some gains today? Right now, just trying to be patient into Monday open here. Clearly, the market's a little bit excited because we pumped over the weekend. What does that mean for Bitcoin? Right now, we're, not even a 1% range right now. So, like to be patient on Mondays. I did take the long this morning, made $150 up here, but nothing to a nice start to the day, but to me, it's been very choppy, so patience. Good afternoon from Cyprus. Thank you for being here, Don Che. Good morning, Alex. Doing good today, man? Yeah, Chris, thank you for asking. I'm doing really well, man. Had a beautiful Easter with my family and took a good break from the charts, which is important for me because I like living these things, so... Thanks for asking, man. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend as well. Don't you mean 500 likes? I'm happy with 250, man. We got 550 people here. If half of them like the show, then I'm happy, man. I just try to help these people navigate these charts. Not easy. Not easy. Bet is ripping. Awesome. That's good for my hodl. Slapping VWAP right now. VWAP slap here. Slap through, flip short. No trade yet. No trade yet. Still waiting. Getting above VWAP here. When you're bouncing around VWAP all day, typically don't want to just trade based solely off of VWAP. $40 seconds on this candle here. Because the VWAP right now, what the VWAP represents is the middle of the range, right? So it's like making a decision based off this right here, especially in our first 15 minutes of market open. Not always the safest play, guys. Not always safest play. I always try to remind myself, like anytime I'm entering a trade, I am putting on risk, right? No position is a position, right? Good morning, Mama Bull. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well, Mama Bull. Good to see you. Tanvir, good morning to you. Darshan Baba, your content is great, super genuine, human, down to earth, and practical. Thank you for being here, man. Appreciate the kind words. Jimmy, what's going on, man? Good to see you. AlexOCrypto. How you doing, Jimmy? Good to see you, bro. Nice push here for Bitcoin. This will probably be our orb low. Nice push out of VWAP here. Nice push here. It's got room. Got room to the upside here. It's not something I like yet. Happy Easter, Hems. Thank you for being here. Wick's wife, 589. What's going on? Good to see you, wifey. Where's Wick? Is Wick here? Can I sing him happy birthday? Where's Mr. Wick? Is he here? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You write the best poems. We love the Wicks here. And many more. Happy birthday, Wick's wife. And Wick, Mr. Wick. Sweep of the highs right now. Sweep of the highs. Bearish divergence. Be aware, don't be buying the top, guys, because we could be. Not saying we're not going to go up. Okay, up is more likely right now, but this can wreck you. That's why we zoom out, right? That's why we zoom out. This looks like we got continuation here, but very, very probable that we do fake people out here. You push up, especially if you sweep in here. Could wreck everybody. So be cautious here. Are we trading a range? Not yet. You're new to the channel and you're in a long? Great. Good job, man. Make sure you pay yourself. Looking for shorts, no trade. Just waiting here. I sang happy birthday for you, Wick. Happy birthday, bro. God bless you. I know the Wicks have an Otter Gang mug. Pope Francis has passed away. Yeah, God bless him. Thank you, Mr. Pope. Wick is 37. He's 2 years older than me, man. 88. What a good year, man. Last of a dying breed, baby. That's what I say. Good year. We grew up we were of an age where, we played Snake on our phone. Babito TV. There's our orb for the day, guys. Still waiting here. This looks good here on our 12-minute and our 24 for upside. However, a little contrary to our 1 hour, our 2 hour, our 3 hour, our 4 hour. So we could get a little bit of a sweep into a rug, right? So be careful of that today, friends. I think we timed that out. It looks like that would happen around noon. But patience here, chopping about, uncertainty, no real direction, no reason for a trade. I said we would go later today too. $90, $93, $94, $95. I'm born in 90, baby. 90. 84, okay. Yeah, Crypto King's starting to feel it. I bet he is. 88 represent, let's go. Another 88. 88, Jimmy graduated high school. Let's go. What do we got? 98, 85. I think if you're under 90, I think after 95, 95's got to be the cutoff. You're a different breed. 95, you guys definitely had cell phones at like 10. What do you guys think? I think, yeah, I mean, 95, you still had rock fights, but they weren't like, I don't know. 98, 94, 92. No 90s in here, eh? I guess, am I the only 1990 in here? Easy math, man. God knew I needed to do easy math. 85, 04, 1892. It's the Pope. I don't know. That got me. 85. Let's go. Like, I vibed more with the 87s, 88s. I mean, my cousins are 80s, so. 74, 88, 68. Richie, God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. 83, 73, 75. Thank you guys for being here. Goes to show you, man. Trading's for everybody. Rashad, aren't you like 18, man? Rashad, where's Rashad? When's your birthday? If you're 18, that means you're born in like 2000 and like 20. 2004, Johan. Awesome, man. I love seeing the young, not even that young, but people are like interested in trading. 52, 79ers, 70s. 80s. Let's go. I'm the only 90. I feel alone. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Price action is pretty flat here. Pretty flat. That's cool, man. It shows you how, like, diverse 1990. Cross. I can't even say your name. The OC guys in the chat. What's going on, brother? God bless you, man. Hopefully you had a wonderful Easter holiday. NASDAQ trying to push up here. We got bullish divergence on the NASDAQ, trying to get back out of this downtrend. Okay. The SPY, pretty ugly right now. See if it can push. Bitcoin trying to go right now, but very choppy in here, friends. So still waiting. Still waiting. Don't want to force the trade right now. It's not my style. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 250 likes. Awesome. Thank you, guys. If you are new here, come over and hang out in our Discord, okay? We have an amazing Discord. There's a free section. There's a paid section. Okay, come over and hang out in the free section. We'd love to have you. The only rules is be kind and don't be a douche canoe, okay? Otherwise, I'll give you the odd early look. We have an amazing group of traders in here. 5 traders helping you guys navigate the charts. Myself, Setups, Kyle, Brewberry, CVO, and HRJ. Okay, amazing setups, signals, all the good stuff that you would like. So if you do want to join our Discord, I would love for you to come over and hang out. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading the beautiful Bitcoin charts, okay? Last week we were 7 for 9, I think. Good week. Another good week. Very choppy last week. But nonetheless, we've been kicking ass, taking names, having lots of fun. So I thank you guys for being here and hanging out. But make sure you come over to the Discord if you do want to take your trading further. We'd love for us to be part of your trading journey. How did you first come up with douche canoe? Douche canoes, I guess it's a very Canadian thing. You know what I'm talking about? Douche canoe. I don't know where it came from. I figured it's better than douchebag. It's like a friendly way of saying douchebag. Don't be a douche canoe. Are we, Leo's everywhere? My son's a Leo. Am I in for trouble? Are we going to have signs now? What is your sign? It came from the movie Without a Paddle? Huh. I haven't seen that in ages. Maybe it did. What is your sign? Are we doing pickup lines now? This is trading. I'm a Pisces. Lots of Leos in here. I'm a cusper, though. I think I'm Aries and Pisces. I'm a lurker. That's what I am. I'm the lurker sign. Lurker. South Park? Probably South Park, man. Probably South Park. Aquarius. That's why we get along. Alex, we're both water signs, see? We like jive. I don't know. We like get some rocks and hit them together. And my sign is elephant. Let's go, Darshan. Gang sign. Let's see the gang sign, everybody. Gang, gang, gang. Friends, I can't make the market move. I'm sorry. This is stale. 1 minute time frame. This is stale as ever. Gun to my head, I'd say down. I'd say down. Trapping longs right now, I'd say down. Like, but I'm clearly not in it. So we wait. It's got to give us direction, right? There's nothing really here to tell us up or down. Still waiting. Am I not lurky enough for the Lurkers Club? Tamale, you're lurkalicious. Lurkalicious. You want some 1 second time frame? We can do 5 second if that would tantalize your rolling over on the 5 second here. Coming back to check VWAP. Middle of the range, hot dog zone, baby. I would like to see it lose VWAP, retest orb, and drop. That's what I would like to see. But hey ho. Slapping VWAP right now. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Not looking good. Money flow coming out. 12-minute. A little bit of hopium still here on 24. We do have a live later on today. If we don't find anything, we'll look for some trades, some more trades in the Discord for sure. It could be because I don't think the Australian and the Tokyo exchange are open today. Could be a little bit of that going on. Is the monochrome candle color to dopamine or emotional response? No, my wife, my candles are purple because my wife's favorite color is purple, and it reminds me to manage my risk. That's why. It's like my wife is staring back at me and she's saying, "Excuse me, sir, that's not a good trade, Mister Husband." That's why my candles are purple. It's because my wife's favorite color is purple. There's nothing to do with monochrome. I wish I was that sophisticated, Darshan. It's basically saying, hey, man, don't F this up. We have a child. That's what it says. That's what it says. It does lower emotional response. Exactly. They look more gray than purple. Yeah, it's basically my wife saying don't lose our money. That's what my candles say to me. I have an immediate wife response. They used to be orange. Like that. Ooh wee. Look at those hikes, man. Look at those hikes. That's an ugly ass chart. Losing VWAP here. This is still a higher low here. Looks like the Nas is dying here. Looking to get short in here. Looking to get short here. We'll see. No trade yet. Bouncing off orb. Retest a VWAP in here. Just chopping, man. This is just chopping. Not going to force it today, guys. Not going to force it. Can't. Can't do it. Not to be forced with. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You can't force it. You can't. Happy Easter, everybody. A beautiful day. I'm looking for shorts. We'll see if we do close below that VWAP here. But for now, it's no trade. It's very simple. It's just chopping about in there. So I'd be patient. Wait for some direction, some break of structures, some lower lows. I'll update the Discord. But thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new here, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And thank you for being here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow and in the Discord. All right? Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product Alex base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain.